Keep it simple. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This recipe is super easy and perfect for summertime and the whole family. So, let's get started. Here is a simple recipe for tasty Parmesan pretzels that you can try at home. Ingredients: 1½ cups warm water, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 teaspoons kosher salt, 1 package, 2¼ teaspoons, active dry yeast, 4½ cups all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup baking soda, 1 large egg yolk beaten with 1 tablespoon water, coarse salt, for sprinkling. Instructions: in a large mixing bowl, combine the warm water, sugar, and kosher salt. Sprinkle the yeast on top and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, or until the mixture becomes foamy. Add the flour and melted butter to the bowl and mix until the dough comes together. Knead the dough on a floured surface for 5 to 10 minutes, or until it becomes smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a clean towel, and let it rise in a warm place for about an hour, or until it has doubled in size. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a small bowl, mix together the Parmesan cheese and baking soda. Divide the dough into 8 to 10 equal pieces and roll each piece into a rope. Form each rope into a pretzel shape. Dip each pretzel into the baking soda mixture and place it on the prepared baking sheet. Brush each pretzel with the egg yolk and water mixture and sprinkle with coarse salt. Bake the pretzels for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are golden brown. Serve warm. Enjoy your delicious homemade Parmesan pretzels. So, give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this one. Thanks for watching.